Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on Scout's 275 LXF. The LXF stands for luxury, and this boat, when you get on it, you're going to see that this is a luxury fishing boat. I have to be honest with you, this isn't your tournament angler's typical boat right here. When you look around, when you feel the soft touch upholstery on here, you're going to know that you're on a different kind of center console. This boat is beautiful from bow to stern. It's powered with twin 225 4-stroke Yamahas. That's the new L6 225 Yamahas. And again, just this upholstery that you feel, the soft touch upholstery on here with the great embroidery on it and the stitching on it. Beautiful boat. You've got two live wells in the back, one in the port, one in the stern. Just in front of the live well, you've got your pop-up cleats. And then, so you don't have to take that cleat up with your fender, you've got what are called fender pros, a place to hang your fenders directly in front of that cleat. That's really neat. The leaning post, look at this beautiful leaning post on the 227 LXF. You've got some shotgun rod holders there. Look at this stainless steel tackle storage that you've got, a heavy duty. You can feel how beautiful and how well made of a boat this is from that right there. You've got a little cooler right here in the middle. You can throw some drinks. You've got a whole wet bar here, so you've got your fresh water right here. Up top, shotgun rod holders on the T-top. And again, look at this T-top. Look how beautifully finished off the T-top is on that. Before we move forward, let's take a look down at the floor. You've got fish boxes in the floor, port and starboard side. Nice big fish boxes, heavily insulated. They're going to hold your ice for a long time. Going back to the back of the boat again, your comfort getting out to your fishing grounds or just cruising around is really important. Look at the nice big seat there on the back. Got plenty of thigh support, comes well up my back, so it's giving me plenty of back support as well too. Great back seat, plenty of room for two people. If it's kid, you can fit 3 kids wide back on the back seat. We move up to the helm. Look at these seats. Again, the soft touch upholstery on here. But if I like to stand up, just look at the back support that I get from this. The Edison wheel with the speed knob on it right here. Tilt steering wheel. Everything's fitting right where it's supposed to. Already mounted from the factory, you've got your Garmin 7612, so you've got your 12-inch multifunction display already on here with a fish finder included. We've got your Garmin 110 VHF radio mounted into the T-top already. Look at the finish work on this T-top. This is as nice as it comes. How the T-top is integrated with the sides here. Moving forward, giant for a 27-foot boat. That's just a huge center console. You look down there, plenty of room to get down in your head. Look at the height on the gunnels on this boat. This comes up just about to my belt line. I'm 6'3", so you've got plenty of safety in this boat. If you're bottom fishing, just look how comfortable you'd be fishing on this boat. Nice big thick coaming pads on here. Again, you've got your fender pros, you've got midship cleats on here. Storage for your dock lines down below. Open this up here, you've got another cooler up in the forward. And again, look at this seat. Look at the back support on that when you're riding out to your favorite fishing grounds. What a super comfortable place to sit. 2 lounge seats in the front. Of course, there's cushions that go right there. You've got another big storage in the floor right here. That one's really big, insulated, holds ice really well. Again, look up here, you've got drink holders where you need them. You've got a beautiful powder-coated low-profile rail that goes all the way around. Working up to the bow area. These are drink holders, but they're rod holder drink holders. So you can put your rods in there. If you're clearing the rods from the back of the boat and you need somewhere to put them, you put them right up here. Look at the great switches for the Windlass are on the bow of the boat, and nice finished off windlass locker there. Stainless steel plow anchor is included. This is the 27 LXF Scout. It's a luxury fishing boat. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.